This is Flavour Safari Home Kitchen. What I'm trying to do today is just try and get you something quick. I have a helper here. My son is going to help me. So come over. What are we doing today?
We are making a chicken and pasta dish.
Chicken and pasta dish. Very good. Before I start, I like to do a little bit of a fun. I do this all the time. Woohoo! Now, let's go. You can do this at home with whatever you have. You might have rice, couscous, even potato will be fine. Now, I'm just going to put on this hot. Yeah. Put it on. I'm going to let it, just heat up a bit. Check my tagliatelle. It's cooking away. A little bit of oil. It's hot now. Just a couple of spoonfuls, It's fine. That's the chicken. I'm just going to throw the chicken in. Okay, cook it away. I have the African spice, a little bit of birdside chili and lime chili because we like it spicy. Fresh garlic, that goes in straight away. Let's cook it nicely. Let it cook for a while, nice and soft. I'm just going to chop up a little bit of pepper, red pepper. Let's do this. Now go straight in, a little bit of spice. Just a little bit of onion. You can just let it simmer away. What I'm going to do now is just chop a little bit of mushroom. Okay? Let's go. Cooking nicely. Do I have spinach somewhere? It's washed, ready to eat. I'm just going to take a tiny bit. You can use Flavour Safari if you have it, but if you don't, humble tomato will do. That goes straight in. Okay? So let it just cook and simmer away. Do you want to add more spice? Mm-hmm. You come and do that for me. Hold on to this and just shake a little bit of. Yeah. That's it. Because you know what? We like it?
Spicy.
Spicy. We love spice. A little bit of African magic right there. Okay. Now, just leave it to cook for 5 minutes and I'll be back, okay? Alright? Don't touch it, just watch. Here we go. Time to put the carrot into it. Just drop it in. Bang! That's it. The beautiful color of the carrot. Very nice. Now, I'm just going to have to drain this. The pasta is all drained. You check the pasta. Take a look at the pasta. Nice. Next thing is, I'm going to add the spring onion.
You put on it?
Yeah, put on it. Bam, that's it. Yeah, that's right. You see the beautiful color. Ooh. I have another helper here. Tiani, come in. Come and give me a hand. Okay. Brilliant. I'm just going to give you 2 minutes and it'll be ready. You hungry? Mm-hmm. Bang! Bingo, let's go. That's a family size and that's not for me. Now, we're almost there. Oh, look at that. Now this is ready to serve. You hungry? Mm-hmm. Look at that. A simple chicken pasta dish. What do you think, guys?
Good.
Good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You like it?
Yeah.
You're going to do this yourself tomorrow, will you?
Yeah.
Good. Let's go.